Handles lift up. And there you go. You can take this with you on your picnics, go down to the pool, to the beach. There's 8 different storage grids that are removable. So that way the kids can take which snack they want and then put it right back. I was thinking this would be cool for like a movie night, a taco night, a like ice cream bar. You can separate each topping. I saw somebody put their sandwich toppings in here so their kids can make their own sandwiches. These are super great. They're going to be down below on TikTok Shop so you can grab yours.